me catch my breath. Wait a second, let me catch my breath.
Remix Production.